Local news for Thursday, the 25th of June. A quiet rural market, but busy in the livestock block demand. That was Wairarapa in May. There was light activity in the dry stock sector, restricted to the Carterton and Featherston districts, while lifestyle performed reasonably well and at $815,000 recorded as the best median price for years. New Zealand First List MP Ron Mark has welcomed the announcement of the Provincial Growth Funding investment of $1.4 million to help secure Wairarapa's water supply. The funding boost will allow the Greater Wellington and three district councils to use the latest airborne electromagnetic survey technology to increase their understanding of the region's water resources. The boil water advisory for Featherston has been lifted, although all residents are advised to run their cold taps for 5 minutes prior to using the tap water. Flush any appliances, such as coffee machines or those connected to town water supply, and hot water cylinders and header tanks may also need to be drained and refilled. And in sport, the Wairarapa United men are away this weekend to Western Suburbs, while the women are away to Waterside Karori. And in hockey, the Dalefield women are at home to Northern United, while the men have a bye. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.